guys, in today's video I'll be straightening my relaxed hair with the Mielle Organics Mongongo Oil Collection. I'm almost 11 weeks post relaxer and my new growth is fierce. I don't want to relax just as yet, but I do have an event to go to, so I want my hair laid and straight. To start, I'm going to use the Mongongo Oil Pre-Shampoo Treatment on dry hair. This pre-poo aims to soften and condition the hair before shampooing. It's packed with great oils like sweet almond oil, Mongongo oil, grapeseed oil, and peppermint oil, which is great for scalp stimulation and promoting hair growth. I notice that every time I use this pre-poo, my scalp tingles and it feels so good, not to mention the slip is incredible. I'm able to plow through my new growth and tangles with so much ease. Okay, so 20 minutes is up and my new growth feels extremely soft and moisturized. I'm going to follow up with the Mongongo Oil Exfoliating Shampoo to deep cleanse and remove product buildup from my hair. I recently had cornrows in my hair, so doing a deep cleanse of my scalp is perfectly in order. This shampoo lathers so well and it doesn't strip my hair of any of its oils. It feels moisturized and clean at the same time. So now I'm going to follow up with the Mongongo Oil Hydrating Conditioner, which is protein free. I t-shirt dried for about 10 to 15 minutes in order for any excess water to be absorbed. And I'm going to be applying the conditioner in sections. What I love most about this conditioner is that it has great ingredients. It has benzoammonium methyl sulfate, which is excellent for detangling, Mongongo oil to protect against heat damage, and 3 penetrating oils I swear by. So avocado oil, coconut oil, and olive oil, plus shea butter and vitamin E. So not only does this conditioner moisturize, but it also protects against heat damage by restoring health and shine back into the hair. It's also protein free, so it helps to soften and silken the hair, and it's perfect for those who are protein sensitive, so it won't leave your hair brittle or hard. Now that I've rinsed out the conditioner, I'm going to follow up with the Mongongo Oil Thermal and Heat Protectant Spray. Typically, when I have a lot of new growth, I like to blow dry my hair prior to flat ironing, and that's double the heat. But this protective spray is formulated to protect the hair from extreme heat styling while eliminating frizz, which is a bonus, and it smells so good. I'm going to use a couple drops of the pomade to oil treatment, aka the Shine Enhancer. This really caught my attention because a little goes a long way, and the thick consistency turns to oil once you rub it together in your hands. So this will give me that sleek, smooth look. Now my hair is air dried and completely detangled, so I'm going to move on to the blow drying process. Alright, so my hair is completely blow dried and it feels so soft and smooth. I'm going to flat iron with my Sedu Revolution flat iron using the chase comb method.
Can't nobody do it like us. I do it like, I do it like, I do it like.
Okay, I'm truly loving the results. My hair feels so smooth and soft, and it's frizz-free and loaded with shine. And I can't believe I'm almost 11 weeks post-relaxer. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Mwah.